Dancing in the kitchen, dancing in the kitchen. I don't mind if this whole town goes up in flames. As long as I got you with me, I'ma be okay.